What's up, YouTube? Here is how I end up cleaning my glasses. Uh, so make sure your hand is not dry, it's just a bit moist. Mine is quite dry now. And you see there's a Mark brand on the cloth. So always make sure to touch this side of the cloth so that the other side is always clean. So I'll put what if you see that it's not clean. Okay, so I just put this here, one corner of it, and then hold it like this, and then just grab it like this, and then just work on it. So what you should know that if your hand is dry, it will slip. So if you're slipping, just you can wash your hand a bit, or use a bit of moisturizer. And to be honest, you don't need to do this to even fix it. Without this, it will 99% of the time work better even. So all you need to do is just work on it and keep on doing it, and then check. Look, it's already clean without doing it much. This is the best way I have found that it works. Alright, thank you.